everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. If you're wondering what to do, something a little bit different to include parsley with, I've got some suggested flavor combinations for you. Hopefully this will give you some ideas. You can pair parsley with artichokes and garlic, or parsley with breadcrumbs, butter, garlic, and shallots. How about parsley with bulgur wheat, lemon, mint, and tomatoes? That sounds like a wonderful dish. And parsley with capers, garlic, lemon, and olive oil. Or parsley with chili pepper flakes, garlic, olive oil, and vinegar. A great way to flavor something there. Parsley with garlic, gremolata, and lemon. Or combine parsley with garlic, lemon, mint, olive oil, and walnuts. How's that for something a little different? Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.